Sama-Sama Hotel Terminal 1 since we are going to visit my sister on her layover here in Kuala Lumpur. So she just arrived in the morning, and usually what we do, I also shared it to her, we do 1 REM or rapid eye movement or 2 REM. So it's like 1.5 hours or 90 minutes or 3 hours of sleep before we go on and explore the city. Kasi the flight here is around 7 or 8 hours. And of course, you are tired because it's a full service flight and full load also. So I give her time to rest. And then now we're going to explore the city because it's entire day so that it can give time for her to sleep in the night properly before the next flight for tomorrow. So let's go and okay, so now let's go. Hi! Oh, ayun. Kaya today. How are you?
We're good. Welcome to my crib.
Welcome to my crib. So we will see her temporary home. Temporary home. So ayan. How many hours did you sleep already?
2 hours.
2 hours. Okay.
Ready to go.
Ready to go. Just gonna view what is in here. Toilet. And yan. Nice view. This is actually where I came earlier. Tama ba? Yay! So I made it today. Kinaya today. Marating tayo. It was very nostalgic when I went here because I came from Terminal 2 to Terminal 1 and I can still remember, I think it's muscle memory from Terminal 2. I just took the free shuttle. I was thinking, should I take the train because that's what I usually take when I was going from here to Terminal 2 because everything gateway in Terminal 2 is better, so you can buy a lot of stuff in Terminal 2 instead of this terminal. But now I realized that there's actually a free shuttle bus, so I took that free shuttle bus from T2 to Terminal 1, and from Terminal 1 I can still remember how to go to the food park where I always eat. And then I saw myself, I remember myself sitting alone. Chares! There eating because there's a view, outside view, so it's good. But they renovated a lot of stores there, so I'm not really sure which of the stalls was the one that I was eating the seafood sambal, my favorite. From there, I still know where the buggy is, and then I just pretend that I'm still a crew. That I'm a crew. Then I took the buggy. So we're just going to wait for my sister to finish eating. And we're going to Mitsui outlet. Did I miss Sama-Sama? Yes. I actually used to hate it. Chares. Not like hate, but there's nothing much to do here because the hotel is near the airport, which is convenient because of course the flight is Kuala Lumpur International Airport, which is not really Kuala Lumpur, it's Sepang. I only realized that when I was already here. This is not Kuala Lumpur. Kuala Lumpur is in the city, which is like 1 hour away. So this is a different place. It's called Sepang. It's just that the airport is situated here. That's why it's called Kuala Lumpur International Airport. So, lalang, trivia. And of course, if we stay here, we have to, like take train or bus to go to the city. But if you're going here for like maybe once a month and you don't have family here, so you don't want to go to Petronas like 20 times, right? Or there's not much that you can do. So I just stay here Well, the hotel is nice. Actually, I think they renovated it because it's like 5 years ago I last went here, but they were able to either maintain it or no, I think they renovated it. Ay, ang tagal ni ate mag-PS Char! It's also going to be my first time to go to Mitsui outlet because Mafi Fulus. So I don't have money, so why do I need to go there, right? But there's a free shuttle bus from either Terminal 1, Terminal 2 going to Mitsui outlet. And I heard a lot of feedback that it's a nice place. There's pork if you want to eat like ramen, pork ramen, because as you know, here in Malaysia, even though of course they're open to like different religions and ethnicities, they are still mainly a Muslim country, so it's not very rampant to see or to buy pork or pork products. And also, they say that it's quite cheap in Mitsui since it's an outlet. Like, I talked to one of my colleagues, and then he said that he can buy jeans for like 2 jeans for less than 100 ringgit with good quality jeans. So yay! Let's wait for ate. Okay, so let's do some hotel tour. And what can we see? Okay, what's this? Husband, boyfriend pillow. Do they have that? Wife, girlfriend pillow, gel, bamboo, charcoal, memory foam. Oh. So we can request. This is nice. We can request for special pillows if you can't sleep. But of course, it's limited, so just need to contact the reception for this. They call it husband boyfriend pillow. I call it my hot dog. If you wonder like why do we have a lot of pencil or pen, we take this as a souvenir. And then also like pad, notes, and then our best friend, the phone. This one, let's try. I like this accent actually, the orange one. It's so sama-sama. Let's see. Ay, it's not working. Okay, so this one, I like it because you can put your privacy or makeup room on your side, o diba? And then this one naman for the sheer and drapes. So let's try to close the sheer. Oh. So nice. And also it's very important kasi for a cabin crew for a good night's sleep. So we really do have blackout curtains, but if you have drapes like this, automatic, like Cameron Diaz in one of her films, it will give you comfortable sleep, of course, because sometimes you arrive in the morning, then you need to sleep, but if it's very sunny, then you'll not be able to sleep, right? Okay, now total darkness, but we don't want dark, we have to wake up. So we open again the drapes. Magalit na talaga siya. Sabi niya, ano ba? Open or close? Chire. And then, what else do we have here? We have, lights. So, you can control the lights here. TV scene, left reading, relax, time to work. And then, of course, your AC can be controlled here. You don't need to go there. So, auto or fan. And then, what else? You have your hotel information, restaurants, recreational facility. What do we have? Ooh, we have the pool. But maybe we'll just go there for a little bit. 7 a.m. to 10. Tennis court, massage, sauna, jacuzzi, and steam. Yay, 24 hours. And also the gym. Okay, what else? Wake up time? No, this is a different one. So usually we have our wake up time from the reception, but you can also put your alarm here, your alarm in your phone, so definitely do not miss your flight. And there we have it. Amazing, 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 amazing.
Yours, yeah.
What that? What that? Yee! I said I will be on a diet. It's a joke. I'm just kidding. I'm not gonna go diet. What's that? Oh, yes.
Yay! Ano ang favorite?
Sabi ko, hindi na ako kakain ng chocolate. Wow! Parang hindi mo na makilala. Chares mo kanina. Ikaw ba yarn? Let's go. Ay, yes, when we're going to do the ditching, nakita mo yung video namin ng ditching.
Hindi ko ba napanood?
Ano, the one person asked, should we remove our makeup? Sabi ng instructor, maybe I will not recognize you. Let's go! He was so concerned. Let's G! Ayun na, bumukas na. Yahoo! Ay, joke lang.
L ako.
Ay, and ba? Sorry. Ano ba yan? Kung ano-ano pinindot. Okay.
Ikaw man yun. Bago ka na.
Chika, chika. Let's go.